Hello together, this is from me. Yes, before video is I do exercise A, but now until B I will do for you. So now you can see all together B, okay, 3 on radical 10. Yes, so see all together. This is the way to do about exercise 1, 3 on radical 2. So now see B all together. 3 on radical 3. Sorry, B 3 on radical 10. Okay, so now you can see all together how to do. The same way to do exercise A2. The first, okay, above we write 3 and below we write 10, radical 10. We add what do you remember? Radical the same, yeah, 10 too. When we add radical 10 below, above we add radical 10 too. Okay, so we write equal. Okay, so now equal after we add radical 10. Okay, 3 radical 10 and this, so now 10 and 10, okay, equal 100. So now how to do one like this? So 100 we can outside from radical, we can delete radical. So you can write continue like this. 3, okay, radical 10, and 2. Okay, so we can delete radical from 2 about like this. When we delete, we equal like this. Okay, we equal what? Okay, equal 3 radical 10 on 10. Okay, so the answer, the answer of the exercise is okay. The exercise is B 3 on radical 10 equal 3 radical 10 on 10. Yeah, thank you. So now this video is so fast than the exercise A video because it easy and we used to see the related video too. So now you can see the next video for do exercise C. Okay, thank you for your watching. Goodbye and see you exercise C video. Thank you.